How to reset MetaTrader 5 demo account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can reset MetaTrader 5 demo account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the MetaTrader 5 application on your device. Now log in into your demo account that you want to reset. Once you have logged in, now you can delete your existing demo account. So for that, tap on three dot icon at the top right. And there you will find an option to delete account. Tap on delete. Then confirm it by tapping on yes. Now, once you have successfully deleted your demo account, you can create a new account in order to reset. So for that, tap on the plus icon at the top right. Then you have to search for the broker. So search for the demo broker. Now once you have chosen your broker account, here at the top, tap on open a demo account. And now you have to fill in your personal and your account information. First of all, you have to enter your first name, second name, date of birth, your phone number and email. If you want to change some of this information, you can do that as well. And under that, you have to select your account information. You can choose your account type, your leverage and deposit. So complete all the process. Once done, tap on accept and then tap on register. So you have to save this login credential, then tap on done. And with that, now you have a new demo account. And that's how you can reset your demo account on MetaTrader 5. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.